Hey, what is up guys, it's Spec here back with another video, and today guys we're gonna do a simple speed test between the Apple Watch Series 2 and the Apple Watch Series 3. We're gonna test this by launching some apps and also timing the startup time of both Apple Watches. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Starting off just spec wise, the Apple Watch Series 2 is only using an S2 dual-core chip, while the Series 3 is using both the S3 dual-core chip and the W2 chip, which makes Wi-Fi connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity faster. Anyways, without further ado, let's start by doing some real-world speed tests just to see if it actually makes a difference. First, we're going to go ahead and start this with a startup test. And as you can see right here, the Apple Watch Series 3, which is on the left, started at around 1 minute 16 seconds, while the Apple Watch Series 2 started at around 2 minutes and 30 seconds, roughly a whole minute behind the Series 3. Next, we're going to go ahead and launch some apps, and to make all these tests fair and accurate, we're going to clear out all the apps in both of them right now. So first, let's start with messages. Although I did open the message app slightly quicker on the Series 3, it is still around 3 to 5 seconds faster. For the stock app, the Apple Watch Series 3 was a little faster again. Next, we're going to go ahead and open the workout app, and as you can see right here, the Series 3 is a couple seconds faster again. Next, we're going to go ahead and open the Apple Store app, and as you guys can see right here, the Apple Watch Series 3 is a little faster this time, but both apps were not available at the time, so it might not be 100% accurate. Finally, we're going to open up settings, and as you guys can see right here, the Apple Watch Series 3 was a little faster again. So in the end, you can see that the Apple Watch Series 3 is a lot faster than the Series 2, and for only $50 extra. So in the end, you can see that the Apple Watch Series 3 is a lot faster than the Series 2, and for only $50 extra. I would highly recommend you to get the Series 3 over a Series 2. However, if you already have a Series 2 Apple Watch, I would think that it would be better to spend it on a Series 4 Apple Watch rather than just upgrading it to the Series 3. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more tech videos just like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.